Hello everybody, how are you? This is Reja. Welcome you all to this week gathering on behalf of 33rd founding anniversary of FM Institute. First of all, I would like to thank my Almighty who has given us chance to be here today in this beautiful evening. Then I will thank and pay my total respectation to whom this extraordinary inauguration celebration arranged centrally. He is none but the great personality, our wonderful guardian, the best educationist of subcontinent, Principal Firoz Mukul. Principal Firoz Mukul. Then I will thank the teachers whom attention has created a better and soft path to go ahead is over explanation. May my friends, guests and the students, those who are the soul of this institution, be disheartened if I don't thank them. FM, the multifamiliar method of learning English. English isn't our mother tongue, so everybody believes that English should be hard and a challenging phenomenon for our country, Bangladesh, as well as Bangladeshis. But it is available, thinking subject to all that. Everybody must have a better possession to speak, to write, and to understand English easily. We have many people in action from our government and many NGOs to eradicate the illiteracy related to English language from our country, Bangladesh. But still, we haven't got any parental path by what we can eradicate the illiteracy related to English language from our country, Bangladesh. So, what should we do? Should we stay in the darkness? Of course not. Here there is good news. I would like to say it's not only good news, it's better news that our honorable principal, the great demand of the era, has switched on the light of success to eradicate the illiteracy of English. He has invented our scientific and our government acknowledged FM English learning method. And FM English Language Teaching and Research Institute is the server institute of that method. All classes of people all over the world are being benefited here. So I would like to thank the thought comes first in his mind. So dear learners, we are getting that our honorable chief guest and a special guest of today's program. Please have a big hands for them. Okay, dear learners, now we'd like to flourish our honorable chief guest and a special guest of today's program. So I would like to request our honorable chief guest and a special guest. Please come to the stage.